We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.